Walking at 15 months, things to look for. Okay, one of the things you're looking for in what you need to work on, and I would work on the pre-standing, pre-walking course. He definitely missed some milestones. And so what's going on is that's why I wanted to see a video of him getting in and out of standing. So he doesn't squat in and out of standing. The tendency is to fall down. His backwards, his step back is off. And so therefore, I know he didn't come to sitting through his back and go into all fours and go move around, because his backwards to forwards isn't as strong as I would like it to be. And two, after a couple fall downs, he actually fatigues up and pulls up into standing. And we don't pull up into standing. We should be able to get up independently in and out of our leg, but even when he's pulling up, he's literally at an angle like this versus being over his feet and getting up. And so that's where you're seeing the frustrations a little bit that he's having, and again, he's fatiguing out. The reason we want to work on it, because right now, to be this big and falling up and down, no big deal. If you had to walk the same way as he's doing and getting in and out of it and standing up right now and falling to your bum and coming out, it's not going to happen. And so this is where, again, people think, yay, we've got walking and everything's good to go, which, again, he's doing. But I want to get it more advanced. He's ready for that. Because right now, if he gets a little bit bigger, again, I don't want to fall down. And you might see where he's like, oh, my baby's just really, son's just really cautious at the park, or this kind of thing. And really, he's cautious because he doesn't want to fall down. Nobody really wants to. It's getting in and out of standing we want, not falling down. And so, and his falls are pretty, boom. So I want to bring that ability to squat and go in and out of standing and make that more efficient. So you can watch him advance more now into bigger sports. Thanks.